Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and I am a wedding planner in Los Angeles, California. Today's video is going to be all about DIYing your own feather pajamas. I saw them on Instagram or just all over social media and I was like, why are these so expensive? And felt like, let's go ahead and DIY them because why not? So right now there is this viral trend going around with ostrich feather pajamas, and I have seen them all over Instagram and felt like, hey, this is something that we can totally DIY. I can't justify paying $300 for pajamas that I'll wear for one day, and was like, how hard can it be? In today's video, we're gonna go ahead and try DIYing it. I bought feathers and silk pajamas on Amazon. If you'd like to go ahead and recreate it yourself, I went ahead and linked those products down below. But we gotta test this out. We gotta like research how much this stuff costs, what it looks like, how can we recreate it. So let's get into it. All right, so let's go ahead and see. $273 at Bloomingdale's. We have Nasty Gal for about 60 bucks. Nordic Peace, Boohoo, Neiman Marcus, Nadine Marabi. I think they were one of the first to come out with like the ostrich feather pajamas, and that's how it got so viral. But their pajamas started at like $250. Right now they're on sale, but I still feel like I could DIY this. So you can see that the photos here, they are fluffier in material. Beautiful, like they did an amazing job with it. Okay, so off Amazon I got these white silk pajamas. They are long sleeve. They come with the pants, which I'll show you. So they come with these pants. If we have enough feathers, I will do the ends, but right now we're focused on the sleeves. And then I got these ostrich feathers. Now I'm a fan of ostrich feathers. I think they're so chic, so cute. I don't really like the fluffiness of like these other feathers that you put on like boas. So my personal opinion is getting ostrich feathers. Now, when I look at the photos from other companies and like how they've made them, it seems like they are fluffier. So what I can do is I'm thinking of layering it to make like two. You can see that. 2 layers. And then we can go ahead and see if that works. Trying to see like where I should start the seam. I think it depends on how it looks on me. So let's go ahead and try it on. Okay. Let's go ahead and try this on, see how it looks. Okay, love it so far. Okay. Sleeve wise, I think for me, it ends right here. Now if I were to add the feathers, then it would be pretty long. So do I want the feathers to kind of go down to my fingers, or do I want to go opposite where it's kind of propped up? I feel like if it's propped up, it's out of my way, like if I'm texting or whatever, but then I also feel like it's kind of like, you know, gravity, right? Should we do it this way or this way? Please comment below which one you think I should do. Okay, so I think one of the best things that I can do is either tuck it inside out, so that way I can layer it and make it thicker so it's not just like one layer of feathers, and we'll see how that goes. If I have enough, again, I'll do like the pants, but I think I might have to buy another one. I don't know. We'll see how it works. Okay, so what I did was I am turning them inside out, and then I put some pins in there and we'll try to layer it to see if that works. And you can go ahead and sew it if you have a sewing machine. If you want to glue it and you're not gonna like wash it later, then I think gluing it is perfectly fine. But I'm gonna go ahead and sew it because I have a sewing machine, so we'll see how it goes. This is layer number 2. I got some stains on it. I don't know how it's black, but it is. And when I turn it inside out, you can see it's a lot more fuller. I'll go for a 3rd layer because I think that's all I have left for the cuff. But we'll see how it goes. So far, a lot fuller than just 1. So if we do 3, I think it will look great. But I have to run to the store because I ran out of white thread, so BRB. Okay, so I've done 3 layers here. As you can see, it's a little janky, but it is a DIY, so the thickness of the feathers is working really, really well. I think it's not too bad. If I flip it inside out, then you can see the 3 layers here. I didn't really want the seam, but then I also didn't think about seeing this part of the sewing. However, it is thick. She is thick. Feeling wise, like it's still light, but I like how there's a lot of feathers now versus it being light the way it was and the thin. So I will go ahead and finish up the rest of the side, put it on, and you can see what it looks like. And behold, the final review. I'm done! Okay, so this is the final outcome of the pajamas. I love how the cuffs came out. They're longer than my wrist, but I like it. It makes me feel like they're kind of elongated, if that makes sense. I did not have enough to put on the bottom pajamas because I used 3 layers. I wanted to look like really full with the ostrich feathers, so as you can see here, like it's just all fullness. Anyways, I love how they came out. I hope you guys liked it. If you were to change up anything in this process, what would you have done for your pajamas? If you make DIY pajamas, I'd love to see them. Go ahead and tag me at Not Just a Planner, and I look forward to the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!